So like I said in my last video under the working principles of meter bridge. So inshallah we are going to carry out the experiment. But our experiment will be based on a past question, that is WAEC 1998. So in the arrangement you are going to see this is one resistor that we use to bridge this place, 2 ohm resistor. Then this one is unknown resistor. Then this is our variable resistor, which will be what? Resistance box, according to the practical that we are going to do now. So this is the galvanometer. Then let's go to the field and see what will happen. Now, I've connected the circuit to make the work easier. This is the resistor, that is 1 ohm resistor. Then I'll use it to bridge this place. Then this is the other resistor, 2 ohm resistor. Then we have to connect this one and this one in parallel. You can see the connection. We have 2 ways of connecting it. To make it clear, you can connect one wire here, another one here, another one here. Then you join the 3 together. Then or one wire here, another one here, another one, you join the 3 together. That's another method. Or if you understand it better, connect wire here, connect wire here like I did. These 2 wire from resistance box, then from this standard resistor, then you join the 2 together, you tie it here. Then do the same thing for the other terminal. One here, join the 2 together, then put it here. Now let's see what will happen. So this is galvanometer. You connect the terminal here, this center terminal, to the positive terminal of the galvanometer, the other side to the jockey, like this. So the function of the jockey is to touch what? Constantan wire on this meter row. Then let's see it. I have see the connection. The connection is like this. We have it on the diagram. Then this is meter roll, on which we have it. On top of we have Constantan wire. Then this is the battery, the first one. According to the diagram, we have battery. After battery, directly to the key. Then from the key, directly to the other side of the meter bridge. So I will use my hand to join the terminal of the battery, like this. You can see it here. Then you test it first before you do anything, if it is working perfectly. If it is working perfectly, by the time you put jockey to this side, it must deflect to that same side. Look at the galvanometer. Can you see it? Then the other side. See the galvanometer deflecting to the other side. So it means your connection is okay. Now depend on the instruction. They may ask you to remove 1 ohm resistor from the resistance box. When you remove it, then when you remove, let's say 1 ohm, or they may ask you to find what? Point of no deflection. So you continue touching this one, put it on galvanometer, check the galvanometer until when galvanometer is pointing to 0. Can you see it? Can you see it? They may ask you to take reading. You take reading from that. Then they may now ask you to remove certain amount of resistor from resistance box. Then you do the same thing. The point will be different from what you got for the first. You continue, adjust it until you have no deflection. So it depends. So that is working principles of meter bridge.